The red man changed teams. The man changed the TV channel with the remote control. The woman changed the light bulb. The woman changed the radio station. The football players changed into their football strips in the changing room. The man changed the tire on his car. The woman changed the car tire. She had a flat tire. The woman changed into a white dress in the changing room in the clothes shop. The woman changed the color of her hair. The father and son changed the oil in the car. The woman changed gear with her right hand. The man changed the time on his watch. The woman changed the weather from cloudy to sunny. Plan A didn't work. He changed from Plan A to Plan B. The women changed their clothes before they went onto the beach. The man changed the batteries in the remote control. The man changed the compact disc. He wanted to listen to something different. The woman changed her shoes. I changed from being miserable all the time to being happy every day. The man changed his job. He wanted to do something different. The chambermaid changed the bed for the guests in the hotel room. The woman went to the hairdresser's and changed her hairstyle. The father changed the baby's nappy. It was stinking. The man changed his phone. It got damaged. The scenery changed from the desert to the countryside. The man changed the direction of his life. The woman changed her face. The nurse changed the patient's sheets in the hospital. The woman changed her clothes in the changing room. The man changed the oil in his car. The woman changed the SIM card in her mobile phone. The mechanic changed the car tire. The man changed his moods. The woman changed the volume on the radio. The hand changed the time on the clock face. The woman changed the color of her hair to brown. The man's mood changed from sad to happy.